Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like a stormy night on the way for the Arklatex tonight. You can see the clouds already rolling into the Arklatex with an increase in the moisture as we check out the camera in Marshall. We're going to be watching a cold front which is going to quickly barrel its way through the area during the night tonight. As this frontal system moves into central Texas, thunderstorms will develop near and ahead of it. Those thunderstorms will move through the Arklatex tonight, and then behind it, another windy and cooler day tomorrow with a mix of clouds and sunshine. We could see a few strong storms around the area. Perhaps one or two severe storms also will be possible. Storm Prediction Center indicates a slight risk for severe weather. That means we could see a handful of severe weather reports. As far as the threats, hail doesn't look to be too much of an issue. Main concern is going to be damaging straight line wind. The tornado is possible, but that risk is looking very low at this point, and I'll show you that with Futurecast here in a second. So let's show you the timing of things here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. As we progress our way through the nighttime hours tonight, you can see that the main focus for the rain for the rest of the day today and this evening will be over the northwestern edge of the Arklatex. Then we'll see that line develop and begin to move into the Arklatex very late this evening. Futurecast may be a little bit slow, but you can see by 1 a.m. it shows the main line extending from Ashdown to near Texarkana to Jefferson and Marshall. It moves into Shreveport between midnight and 2. And then by the time we get to sunrise, that rain should be pretty much done as far as the main severe weather threat here in the Arklatex. And then tomorrow we begin with some clouds, perhaps a few leftover showers in the morning over the eastern edge of the Arklatex. Some wraparound clouds will mix in with the sunshine during the morning, and then we should become mostly sunny during the afternoon with a gusty northwesterly wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. So that's a look at the timing of the thunderstorms. Let's talk about the potential threats here. Again, wind is going to be the biggest concern. I mentioned the lack of a hail threat. This is the outlook from Futurecast. You can see what we're looking for is pink, black, and white. And you can see just a few areas of pink here, meaning that a little bit of hail possible, but it shouldn't cause too many issues. Any reports of, say, 1-inch hail, which we consider severe, looking very, very isolated at this point. And you can see zooming out, not much of a hail threat, perhaps a little bit higher to the west and southwest of the Arklatex. As far as the tornado threat, it too is looking relatively low. This is a loop from 8 p.m. this evening to about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and what we're looking for here is any color on this map, and you can see nothing really too much here in the Arklatex. Zooming out, you can see the biggest risk for tornadoes, at least according to the Futurecast, will be to our west and southwest over towards Dallas and I-35. Other models do show at least some small risk over the southwestern quarter of the Arklatex. So if we have any issues with tornadoes, mainly deep East Texas, perhaps as far northeast as Shreveport, but again, that risk is looking very low. If we do see any tornado issues, they will be very, very isolated at this point. As far as rainfall, this is what we're looking at. It does appear that the heaviest rains, pretty good agreement in the models here, will occur over the northwestern edge of the Arklatex, a good 1 to 2 inches possible from Mount Pleasant to Idabel to DeQueen, perhaps Umpire, northern Howard County. Probability-wise, a good 80% shot this part of the Arklatex will see at least an inch. That probability drops to 20% in Shreveport and almost no chance down towards Natchitoches. So again, it looks like, again, the heaviest rain with this event, and pretty good agreement in the models, will be over the northwestern edge of the area. Now this is the first of 2 disturbances here in the week ahead, which does show promise of bring us some rain. You can see it, this first disturbance moves through. We take a break for a few days. Here comes another disturbance, which will bring a chance of rain mainly for Friday night, and those showers will linger into Saturday. It looks like mainly rain, a little thunder possible, but I doubt we'll see anything as far as severe weather from this particular disturbance, at least the way things look right now across the Arklatex. And then as we head towards Halloween, looking pretty nice with temperatures falling into the 70s. So your forecasts look like this for tonight. We will see thunderstorms likely. Several reports of wind issues will be possible. Can't totally rule out an isolated tornado as temperatures behind this cold front will fall into the low to middle 50s. Could see a few 60s over the eastern edge of the area. Tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine and a gusty northwesterly wind, as we'll see highs only in the mid to upper 60s with a few 70s over the southeastern sections of the area down towards Natchitoches. 72 for the high tomorrow, 68 in Shreveport, and 64 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows that we will see a couple of chilly nights with lows in the 40s, both Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, probably mid 40s for much of the area. Daytime highs should rebound back up into the 70s. Pretty good shot for more rain Friday and Friday night that could linger into Saturday. An isolated shower can be ruled out for Sunday as well, as we'll see quite a few clouds through the weekend. We should warm up again heading through next week with highs for Halloween at 76, 80 by next Wednesday, and that is when we could see another chance for some rain, mainly as we look ahead to next Wednesday night and Thursday. So all in all, 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms possible here, at least rain over the course of the next 4 or 5 days, with severe weather a possibility for tonight, with damaging wind the biggest concern.